So guys, in today's video of Python, I'm telling you about the Python string. So yeah, I'm telling you about that. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So let's learn about what are Python casting in C++. But first of all, what I can do, I write like here 155. Okay. So now let's learn about the Python string. So let's learn strings. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single question marks or double question marks. Okay. Like there is one single question mark. In the single question mark there is hello. It's the same as hello. In the same as hello in the double comma. So here you can see it. You can display a string literal with the print function. For example, like that. When I copy it and when I paste it. So when I save it and run it. So it is giving me hello. Here you can see it. But quotes inside quotes means like double quotes, quotes inside quotes. You can use quotes inside a string as long as they don't match the quotes surrounding the string. For example, like here, like there's one example like I have shown you. Let me show you. Indentation error has been giving me. So let's solve this indentation error. Then save it, then run it. So it give me us alright. He is called Johnny. Like that. Here you can see it. Like this type of things has been coming. Like in the first, I wrote here single comma in the center, in the right and left side of Johnny, and in the third line I write here double quotes in the left side and right side of the Johnny, like you have seen here. You can see it. Then it has been giving me the output of the first one is in the single comma, in the single quotes, and in the third line it give me the output of the double quotes. Here you can see it. Now come here. Assign string to a variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign and the string. For example, let me show you, like if I copy it and if I paste it, if I erase it, if I save it and run it, so it give me hello. Why it give me hello? Because in the first line I make one variable a equals to hello, and in the second line I say print a, so that's why it has me print a, and in the a I wrote the hello, so that's why it print me the hello. Here you can see it. Now let's come here. Multi-line strings. You can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using three quotes. For example, you can use three double quotes. Okay, you can use the three double quotes like that. If you wrote like that, if I copy it and if I paste it, and in here I wrote a random text, and if I save it and run it, so it give me like that. Here you can see it. Why it giving me like that? Because in the first line I make a one variable by the name of a, and in the equals to I wrote here three quotes. Okay, three double quotes, and in these three double quotes I write here letters like lorem ipsum. Okay, like these type of letters I have wrote it, and in the end I also write the three double quotes because this is a ending and this is a starting. Okay, then in the fifth line I say to Python, please print a. If I do not write that, so it not give me any output because I do not write a print function. Here you can see it. If I write like print function, and the print function I write like print a variable, so it will give me like that. If I save it and run it, so here you can see it. Now let's come here. Or three single quotes, like here you can see it. Note that in the result, the line breaks are inserted at the same position as in the code. Strings are arrays. Like many other programming languages, strings in Python are arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string with a length of 1. Square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. For example, if you get the character at position 1, remember that the first character has the position 0. For example, if you wrote like that, copy it, and if you paste it and backspace, now save it and run it, so it give me only e. Why it is only giving me e? Because in the first line I write in the first line I make a one variable by the name of a, and then I write like equals to, and here in the double commas I write like hello world. Why it is not giving me whole hello world? Because in the second line I say to a Python, please print a and A1 in the square brackets I write like 1. So that's why it gives me E. If I write like here 0, so it give me H. Here you can see it. If I write here 2, so it give me L. Let me see. Here you can see it. If I write here 4, so it give me 4. 0, sorry. Here you can see. Oh, sorry. Here you can see like that. Now let's come here. Looping through a string. Since strings are arrays, we can loop through the characters in a string with a for loop. For example, if you loop through the letters in the word banana, so you can write like that. I copy it and when I paste it, when I save it and array, so it give me B, A, N, A, and A. Here you can see it. Because here I will be wrote a for loop, that's why. Now, learn more about for loops in our Python for loop chapters. String length. To get the length of string, use the length function. If you get the length of string, so you can use the length function. Let me show you. So now, I write like here. So now, here, now, where, sorry. Let me read it now. Now in the first, like I make a one variable a and equals to in the double comma side like hello world. So it give me the hello world comma hello then comma world then this sign. It give me the length of this this alphabet. Let's see, here you can see it. When I save it and then it, so it give me 13. Here you can see 13 characters like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here you can see it. If I write here anything like that, so then it give me the length. You can see it 192. I wrote like 192 words. If I copy it and if I paste, now I have pasted. Now let me save and run it. So it give me 32,832. Here you can see like that is give me. Like that you can do it very easily and you can find your any length of your characters. Here you can see it. Now let's come here. Check string. To check if a certain pairs or character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. For example, if you check if free is present in the following text, so you can write like that. Let me show you. When I save it and run it, it give me true. Why it is giving me true? Because in the first line, I make a variable of text and equals to in the double comma side I like the best things in life are free. And in the second line, I write like print. Then in the print, I write like double commas free and I write like in txt. That is give me a true. Here you can say like that. Use it in an if statement. For example, if you print only if free is present, so you can write like that. Now come here, check if not. To check if a certain phrase or character is not present in a string, we can use a keyword not in. For example, if you check if expensive is not present in the following text, so you can write like that. When I copy it and when I paste it. Save it and run it. Should give me true. Like that. Here you can see it. Now come here. Use it an if statement. For example, we print only if expensive is not present. So you can write like that. When I copy it and when I paste it. Save it and run it. So no, expensive is not present. Here you can see it. Why it is giving me like that? Because in the third line, I wrote here print function, and in the print function I write like no expensive is not present, and print function is often used for print the things. Okay, so you can see it. Here you can see it. In today's video, I told you about Python strings very easily as. So I hope you can understand and your concept will be clear about the Python strings. So here you can see it. So I appreciate your support, bro. If you genuinely appreciate my work, so please let your friends know about this course too. And if you haven't checked my whole playlist yet, so please check it and bookmark it also. Access and bookmark it also. So now I'm meeting next class and next very amazing class like that type of videos come daily. Okay, so get ready for that. So now for today, goodbye.